Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we have another Toyota and Lexus SUV compilation. Gonna start off with this Gx550 that we're doing a suspension lift on with new wheels and tires. We're going to be slapping on a set of King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks on here with compression adjusters and some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and some Old Man Emu rear lift springs. Our shop 88 Rotors is located here in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us and still want to take advantage of our great pricing and readily available inventory from our 2 warehouses, jump on over to 88rotorsoffroad.com, where you can find a bunch of suspension, wheels, tires, and off-road and overlanding accessories. We ship daily and have pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and often pre-adjusted kits so you can install the setups the same day they arrive at your doorsteps. There's no need to pull your hair out going crazy to research on what components you need to order. We help you take the guesswork out, as our kits are all pre-packaged and pre-adjusted and ready to go. Here we're installing a set of 4Runner TRD Pro wheels wrapped with a 285/70/17. With a suspension setup like this installed, there's still very little trimming required to clear the wheel and tire specs in use. This GX is now complete. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive now before we hand the keys back over to the customer. Next up, we have a brand new 2025 Lexus Gx550 Overtrail. This one's coming in for a King suspension setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks with compression adjusters, with some Camburg Kinetik series Billet Uniball upper control arms and some EIBACH rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with a set of RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels. This wheel is available in a 17 by 8.5 size with 3 offset options available: -12, 0, and a +25. This right here is the matte black face with the simulated glass black beadlock ring. The owner of this vehicle wanted a little bit of poke, so we're going with the 0 offset. On my personal Gx550, I'm running the +25. Tire of choice here are the Toyo Open Country RT Trails in a 35, 12.5, 17. This customer has had a long day traveling, and his plan was just to drive back home out of state after we're finished. Good thing for him, he said, is that we are installing this tent for him. If he's tired, he may just pull over somewhere and get some sleep. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. As you can see, this is the final vehicle for the day. We're gonna roll this one out, do a little quick test drive on it, and hand the keys back over to the customer. But no worries, there's still some time, so we'll throw in another day of vehicles that we've worked on. If you want a set of these wheels for your vehicle, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have them in all 3 specs in stock and ready to ship. Next up, we have this black 4Runner SR5. We're installing a set of Fox Factory Race Series shocks on here. We're going to do front and rear with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and some rear Old Man Emu lift springs. We have this kit on special on our website right now. If you use the promo code FOX500, you'll get $500 off a full setup with free shipping in the lower 48 contiguous states. We've adjusted the front coilovers to about 3 inches of lift. The rear gets 1.5 inches from the Old Man Emu lift spring. And at the new ride height, we're able to clear some 285/70/17 installed on the factory wheels. Tire of choice here are the BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO3s. Next up, we have this second generation Toyota Sequoia. This one is coming in for a new lift setup with some tires as well. We're doing the 6112s up front with the 5100 rear shocks with some SPC upper control arms. For the rear springs, we're going with a Dobinson setup. And up on the other rack, we have a brand new Lexus Gx550 installing a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. This vehicle came in with a previously installed set of wheels and tires. He went somewhere and purchased himself a set of 18-inch KMC IMSs with some 285/65 18s. Our tech is now installing the rear springs on the Sequoia, while the other tech is doing a body mount chop up front to clear the 35-inch tires. A BMC consists of cutting off the excess metal by the body mount. We then weld on a plate with the same thickness of metal as factory and form the edges to the vehicle to make it look as OEM as possible, before finishing it off with a flat black coat of paint to match the rest of the underbody. This technique allows for up to 2 more inches of tire clearance without affecting the structural integrity of the vehicle. Back over to the Lexus Gx550, you can see that we've already installed the preload collar from Westcott Designs. This GX is now complete, so we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive. Next vehicle in is going to be this Quicksand 4Runner TRD Pro. Quicksand is a 2016 exclusive TRD Pro color, and 9 years is quite some time to be on the same suspension setup. 2016 4Runner TRD Pros came with the BILSTEIN TRD Pro suspension. Well, we're taking that out and we're going to swap in a set of BILSTEIN 6112s up front with some 5160s in the back. Here's another angle of the Gx550 out in the sun. The BILSTEIN 6112s and 5160s have been installed. The wheels are going back on the vehicle and getting torqued down to spec. Time to pull this one out and then the Sequoia next. Sequoia is going to be sitting on some 35s and the 6112 and 5100 setup. And here we have it, the end of the day. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. We greatly appreciate it as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. And until then, take care, guys.